Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we got some parts laying in the grass. This is the wide body kit for the E36, and we're planning on installing as much of it as we can today on the actual E36. So you got the front bumper replacements for the fenders, which is a blessing because my driver's side fender is pretty much destroyed. For the rears, not entirely sure how we're gonna attach these. Like, there's a panel on the back. There's nothing on the other side for bolts, so we'll figure that out. Right now we're just waiting on Sunny to bring his Raptor by because I don't think all of this is going to be able to fit in the XB. I mean, we could fit a couple of things in your car if that's okay, but yeah. I just set you guys up, whatever. Look who's arrived. What up, homie? In summer clothes. Thank you, sir. No problem. Sustenance. We're just gonna put that piece in Larry's car. Yo, Larry's car can fit 4 full. True. Yeah. That thing is actually pretty space efficient too. We should be good to go. All right, so before we start the day, brought out the rail, figured get some blood pumping and try to do some rail tricks I've never landed on camera before for you guys, and more so for me, because I really want to get back into skateboarding. And I bought this rail, this flat bar, for a reason, just so I can keep a consistent practice on the board. You know, I don't want to grow up old and complaining that my legs can't handle my weight. So that's enough skating for a bit. Had the E36 charging all night, so should start over no problem. In terms of installing body kit, we will start with the front section. To fit that M3 style bumper, with the extended sides, we have to take off this part, which is basically the entire front grille. Just broke our freaking latch for the hood. All right, quick tip for E36 owners. If you are having the same problem as me and you can't actually open your latch from the interior or from the inside of the car, you can actually get to that same cable through this corner light. So let me just quickly, it is in here somewhere. As you can see, this entire thing replaces the grille. So we'll take this off. Also, we are replacing the damaged front fender. Shouldn't take us too long. It's literally just bolts. There's a wasp around this camera. Bruh. Yo, yo, yo. What the fuck, dude? Peace. We painted this gold ourselves and it's still really nice. Only did it to match the Z-Wing crash bar. Shout out Zach. And we still do plan on swapping it with something, probably an S54 engine, or if we can get our hands on a cheap LS. We'll take off this front grille, fit the front bumper, and then we'll go from there. Probably start with the driver's fender, which is just, remember how I said this kit actually doesn't run the corner lights? It's because it kind of shaped it out here. Like, it'll go like that, and it just replaces it completely. But my idea is actually just to cut this out so we can still use our corners. Cool, let's get to it. Gonna need some WD-40. Alright, so the two side bolts is basically the only ones holding this in place, but they are kind of stripped. Yes.
Why don't we just remove the whole fender and just take it out as one piece?
Well, that's what he suggested.
Ah, good point.
But cutting is fun.
Embrace. Bolt's off. Here's the bolt.
There's one more in the back. The fender is holding it on.
Oh yeah.
Hot!
Okay, we're just gonna remove this hood liner. Gross. We are able to get the passenger side fender off. Mostly Larry, thanks.
Ayah.
Grody. Just like a dead rat. Okay, so we'll just unhook the clips here. Dope.
Oh my god, it's so heavy!
Built a car on the road.
Really got a new skateboard wrap for you.
A manual pad. That looks sick.
That does look sick.
So-
Alright, the hood's gonna be the last thing we perfect on.
FYI, it still fits with the Z-Wing bar. Look how close. So judging from what I can see, the aftermarket front bumper doesn't actually have any braces or pre-drilled holes. What I'm thinking is we're gonna be using the OEM grill, and we're just gonna be cutting this part out as well as the bottom here, just so we can still have this frame to be able to attach onto the front area right here. Because right now, I mean, you can put it on, but nothing will be holding it into place. Like, it kind of just sits there. So I'm gonna transfer that frame part, and then we'll figure out a way to attach it behind here somehow and make sure that all of the holes properly align. Nice, it wasn't stripped. Yeah, should be good, man.
I did it!
Almost.
Oh, you know what? It's the blinker. It's so rusty in the bottom.
Oh yeah. Yep. Dude, this is garbage. Yep. Taking the E36 apart. Nothing on the front end. That actually looks kind of cool though. Oh. Yeah, oh nice. Sweet. Rough. Yeah. Oh, there's gonna be so much custom work.
Oh, this is really a short piece.
We may have to just re-drill our own holes, which I'm okay with too.
Or zip ties.
Zip tie gang. This is a drift build, guys, remember.
It's a lot of flex.
Ooh, look at that fan. All right, so we're just gonna call it early for the night, and I'm gonna reassess everything. Oh shit. I think tomorrow I'm gonna come back here really early and start all of the body work. So we basically kind of just test fitted the front bumper and the fenders. We'll try to get those pieces actually installed and then we'll go from there. So we'll start with the front. Fortunately, this idea where we just reappropriated the OEM frame kind of worked. So we'll build off of that. Tomorrow when I come back, I'm gonna reinforce it with fiberglass sheets and actual Bondo. So hopefully it's a little more sturdy. We'll fully install the front bumper and then from there we'll install the front fenders. Since I'm gonna be leaving both cars here, the Scion XB is actually gonna be getting a rewrap in the next couple days here by Custom Decals, and the E36 is gonna be seeing a major overhaul. So we're gonna be taking Thomas's Red Dragon home today. Oh, what? Red Key 2. Cool. This thing's so sick. What? There's a dragon in here. Awesome. And I'm loving the gear shifter. Automatic?
We should probably show you.
Yeah.
Oh no, like because
Wait.
the shifter is funny.
Really?
I broke it again.
These guys are scaring me. Like, just go down? Like regular?
It doesn't, I'm sorry to say.
It's not manual. And then what?
See that black thing with the holes at the bottom? Like by the...
Yeah.
Yeah, so pull up on that. Oh.
What the fuck? Okay, hold up.
Like where the shift boot is. Like hold it like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then you can put it into your...
Aha!
Yeah.
Okay, that's all I needed to know. What the fuck, dude?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Thomas, what are you doing, bro? I treat other people's cars as if they were my own, okay? Cool, man. The Red Dragon. Okay, you guys have a good night. Peace. You douche. See ya. Enjoy. That's hilarious. What the fuck, dude? And drive. Man, this thing's sick. Yo, Thomas, I like the way this sounds. Also, I like the way you did it in the interior. Got this like black and red theme going on. Oh my god. I just completely broke it. What the fuck? Thomas! Yo, I owe you, bro. Oh my god. What do I do? Hold up. One sec. No! They lent me the car for a few minutes. Thomas, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm gonna go inside and fix this because I feel terrible. We'll see you guys back at the garage tomorrow.